What's up? Danny Hayasaki with Colony, helping people do their business better. And I'm super excited because we finally have the Logitech Scribe and we have it set up. And we're not going to do a whole setup video because A, it's fairly simple, and B, Logitech put one out, and we'll go ahead and include a link to that video so you guys can watch that, because it's not difficult at all. Basically, you just screw it in. They give you a little thing to measure it, run the cable down, and we're going to hide all this. This literally just got installed. And then you just plug it into that little box there, and then I got this other cable that runs behind my desk, and then it's ready to go. This thing is absolutely phenomenal because what it does is it helps to provide that meeting equity that we are all looking for as we head into these hybrid work models that will have people in person in a meeting and then have people joining remotely. And one of the things, because I know I've done it, I've been in long 8-hour video meetings and they're doing whiteboarding, and the people on the far end, on the remote end, can't really see what's going on the whiteboard, and so they kind of feel left out. Logitech Scribe changes all that, especially if you're in education. In education, this thing is a fantastic tool, and so let's just show you what it actually looks like, because that's the coolest part of it all. So you're going to have two modes where you have the ability to write on it, and you can kind of show yourself, and then you can literally remove you, and so it's like a ghost is writing. And the only way to show that is to show you on the screen so you see what other people are seeing when they're doing it. So let's do that next. All right, so just really quick, I want to show you Logitech Sync, because this is how you would manage this device. So here is the Scribe. You can go into video, and here's where you'll be able to calibrate, and you can see right now that I have Logitech Scribe, and you have the, like and subscribe. Come on, like and subscribe, show some love. But here is where you have the ability to enable content enhancement, and you can see shows an enhanced view of the whiteboard, corrects perspective, reduces glare, crops whiteboard edges, makes presenter semi-transparent, toggle off to view the unprocessed image feed for diagnostics. And then you have full presenter removal. We're going to go ahead and just show you what all that looks like, so stay tuned. All right, so here is the Logitech Scribe, and we have it in semi-transparent mode. And so what you're going to see on the screen is you're going to actually see my hand. So I want to show you the semi-transparent mode, so you will see my hand. But how cool is that? So this is a great feature, again, especially for educators, and it actually enables the remote participants to have a better experience, because as you can see, if I'm just right in front of this whiteboard, you can see me and I'm in your way. Through the magic and technology of Logitech Scribe, it kind of hides you, right? But I can do it completely. Again, I'm showing you semi-transparent mode, but now I'm going to show you full, sort of, like it just kind of removes you, presenter removal mode. So let's go do that. So now what I'm going to do through Logitech Sync is change to full presenter removal. So basically it's going to remove me completely, and this is a really awesome feature. So let's do that now. So there it is, I've done it, and so now let's show you. So now I have it set to full presenter removal mode, and you can see this is really awesome. I'm just gonna write, in fact, what you guys see, so like right now if you were in the room with me, you'd see that I'm in your way, but on the actual screen, what people see on the remote end, and then watch this. How cool is that? You didn't even see me. How cool is that? That's awesome. This is a great tool, and the best thing is only $1,199 MSRP, and then enhance your meetings for this new workplace, this new hybrid meeting workspace. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Please comment below, let us know what you think of this, let us know how you would be using something like this, some use cases. Thank you so much.